Today we will make a clay tomte with Mrs. Charles. First, you're going to take your clay and divide it into 2 parts. Then take the first part and roll it into a ball. You're going to make a pinch pot. So you'll stick your thumb right in the middle and then pinch, 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 pinch with your thumb and your pointer finger all the way around. Then kind of roll it on the desk and make the top of the pinch pot pointy so it looks like a hat for your tomte. Kind of smooth out your edges. Then take the second half of your clay, take a tiny little bit and set it aside for the nose. Then roll it into a ball again and push your thumb into the middle and pinch, 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 pinch all the way around. Make another pinch pot. This time you're going to keep it as a pinch pot and you're going to put the whole side down for the body of the tomte. Then you're going to use a pencil or some other tool and draw lines in the clay for the beard of your tomte. So you're going to draw those lines all the way from the top to the bottom. Now you can put your hat on top, but remember, before you attach something in clay, you've got to get it wet with just a fingertip of water and then scratch it with a fork. So scratch before you attach and add a little water. That's like a glue for clay. Then it's going to stick together and not fall off. Then take your other little piece of clay, roll it into a tiny little ball, a sphere, and then add a little water. Remember to always do that and scratch a little bit. And then you're going to stick it right under the hat for the nose and kind of twist it a little bit to make sure it's going to stay on there. Then poke a hole all the way from the inside into the hat. That's going to make sure that no air gets trapped inside there because then it will have a hard time in the kiln. So you need to make sure you poke a hole and let all that trapped air out. Then at the very end, you're going to write your name in the bottom. And you can add a couple little accessories if you want, maybe some polka dots, maybe a flower, a little daisy or a clover, whatever you think looks cute and unique on the hat of your tomte. You can also add details with glaze or paint after the tomte has been fired in the kiln. So enjoy making your tomte. I cannot wait to see what you do. And most importantly, have fun.